All right, welcome to our New York stream. All right, uh, we don't have news at 8:30, right? But we do have it at 10 o'clock later, which is the Jolt job openings. All right, for the US, and uh, according to the forecast in the previous, the forecast is not looking very good for the USD. Right, so we'll see how it goes first. All right, if after 10 o'clock and after the news release we do see something for USD pair, then we will be definitely taking it. All right, but right now we'll just go through with some analysis, all right, before we actually hop in for any trades. All right. All right, so okay, let's we're looking at gold right now. All right, for gold, like I've said, I'm still waiting at these demand areas. All right, this demand zone here. So once I have tap in and also a confirmation, then I'll be looking for some possible entries. All right. Okay, just give me a minute. All right. Okay. So for gold, it's definitely something that I will be taking, but I'm going to wait until it taps into my demand. All right. If it's not in my demand, then I wouldn't be looking for any positions. All right. Okay. So let's take a look at NZD JPY, which I've been monitoring since today afternoon. All right. So NZD JPY, I'm going to be looking for sells. All right. I'm waiting for the tap in on the 15-minute at this first supply. All right. As soon as I get a tap in, then I will definitely hop down to the 1 minute for my entry, and we'll see how it goes. All right. We have 3 supply levels, so we'll see which one that can hold the price towards the downside. Right. Okay. So as for GBP AUD, it's a sell limit since last week. Basically, it's last week Thursday, right? But at the moment, I don't see the price reversing back towards the upside. All right. It has been moving slightly slower than expected. All right. If you look at all these candles, it's slowly rejecting towards the downside, right? So we'll see how it goes. If this is going to break below, then obviously this sell limit will be cancelled, and we'll just focus on the next range. But right now I will still be holding this because I have a 1 to 2.37 risk to reward. Alright, so I'm going to be holding this sell limit for now. Until further notice, I will let you guys know to see if I'm going to cancel it. Alright, as for Euro AUD, price has been rejecting and almost towards the TP where we targeted. Right, so if I'm pulling this down from my entry of a 618 according to my FIBO, all right, I'm only having a risk to reward of 1 to 1.7. All right, so it's not a risk to reward that I'm looking for, which is a 1 to 2 at least. We'll see how this goes first. All right, if this is definitely going to hit the stop the TP level already. If it hits, then definitely I will cancel this sell limit. Alright, but right now we'll just see how this plays out first, alright? Because this is also on the hour 4, alright, same as GBP AUD. Alright. Okay, so let's look at GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD, basically I'm waiting at this level here for a short on my 50-minute time frame, right? I do have multiple zones towards the upside here as well for shorts, but I'm looking at the nearest one, which is this one here, all right, which is exactly on my 618. As soon as price taps this level, then I will hop on to my lower time frame to then get a confirmation for my entry and also for my stops. because TP is definitely going to be at this level, right? So right now is basically the entry and also the stop where it's going to be at. All right, so we'll just see how this plays out first. All right. Okay, Euro USD on my hour 4. I'm still waiting for a retracement, right? As soon as I get a retracement, then I will be looking for entry. All right, the zone here is quite huge. All right, the range here is about 256 pips, right, in total. We'll need it to come back to above the 50, and then we'll see for a confirmation to start dumping this pair. All right. Okay, so AUD and ZD. Okay, we do have something newer. We have a break here. We have this low. And definitely I have a retracement happen. Right, so this is definitely gonna be my high. Right, let's get our fib out. Okay, so anything below the 50, right? So I'm definitely looking at this demand here. Okay, I have a demand here. I also have another one here, right? Just below the 786 level of my fib. Alright, so I have these two levels. I'll be looking for buys at these two levels here as soon as price steps in. Alright. Okay, NZD CAD will be our 4. As of now, we don't have a retracement.